Hi friends, welcome back to Rupa's Cuisine. Today I am going to make puli kachal or tamarind rice. So let's first see the ingredients which are required for it. Here I have taken around 1 cup of peanut. I have dry roasted it and removed the skin, as you can see. Half cup of til oil or gingerly oil. I have taken curry leaves, around 15 to 20 curry leaves, turmeric powder, then I have hing, mustard seeds, salt, methi seeds. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, 2 tablespoons of dhania, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of white til, 2 tablespoons of curry urud dal, and 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, and around 15 to 16 of red chili. I have also taken 1 lemon sized tamarind, lemon size, and I have soaked it in water. I have taken a thick puree of this. Without wasting much time, let's go into the process of making the puli kachal. Okay, now first I will dry roast these separately. First I have taken the methi seeds. I will dry roast them and I will powder it together, but I will be dry roasting them separately. Now the methi seeds are done. Next comes the peppercorn. I can get the nice aroma of the pepper now. Now the pepper is also done. Now I am adding the coriander seeds. I can hear the spluttering of the coriander seeds right now. So that means it's done. I can get a good aroma of the coriander. Yeah, now it's done. I will be adding around 6 to 7 red chili. I will dry roast them. The others I will be using it for the tadka. Yeah, this is also done. Now, as you can see, I have dry roasted and added everything, mixed everything together. Now I will powder this into a coarse powder without water. We also have to powder the sesame seeds. So for that I will dry roast this, and I will add it before I powder the dry ingredients. Let it start spluttering, and let it become a bit brown, light brown. Now as you can see, the till has started spluttering. Here I have used the white till. You can also use the black till. Yeah, this is done. Now I will powder it along with the other ingredients. Now let's start the procedure. Here I have taken around 4 to 5 tablespoons of till oil. For this actually oil is required. So let the oil become hot. Now my oil is hot. I am adding the rye or mustard seeds. It has started spluttering. Now I am adding the chana dal. Now I am adding the urud dal. Now I am adding the peanut. Here you can add even the raw peanuts, but I have dry roasted them. Now I am adding the rest of the red chilies. I am adding around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of hing, curry leaves, and I am adding this tamarind. Water. Let this tamarind water thicken for around 10 to 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes will be sufficient. I am adding the salt to taste. Here if you want, you can add jaggery also, little bit, a half a teaspoon of jaggery will do, but I am not adding. Now let this boil for around 10 minutes. Now the tamarind water has thickened. I will be adding half of the powder which I have. I did powder a few items together, right? So that I have added half of it here. I am giving it a nice mix. Can you see the oil separating from the paste? Here I have cooked around 1.5 cup of rice. To this I will add fresh curry leaves, little gingerly oil, about 1 tablespoon. Now this paste is ready. I have switched off the gas. Little powder I'm just sprinkling on the rice, about 1 tablespoon of powder, and I'm adding the paste to the rice, giving it a nice mix. The yummy puliodarai is ready. This is the same puliodarai which you will be getting in the Balaji temple. So do try this, friends, and pour in your comments in the comment section. As you can see, my puliodarai rice is ready. I have not added the full masala nor the powder. I've just added half of it for around 1 cup of rice. Please try it with the kolam rice, not with basmati, because this is a South Indian dish, so it will be better with kolam rice. But if you don't have kolam, you can always try with basmati. Do try it, friends. The puliodarai is ready, as you can see. Serve it with, you can have it with chips, either potato or banana wafers of your choice. And please subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.